Now, a few weeks ago, Ghost Train Willy won our viewer vote prize with Whelan Dealin, and this week the boys are back with even more great deals.
Bed and breakfast and champagne on arrival for only €89. Deadly.
Looking for bargains? Don't waste your time with shitty deals. You want the VIP treatment. Spliffydeals.com. Go on, type it in. Get massive savings on all your beautification needs. We got deals on waxing. Experiment with alternative pedicures.
Feels weird, but in a good way.
Why not try colonic irrigation?
No.
And why not let us take the hassle out of organising your special events, like a family birthday party? Try our bouncy castle.
No shoes on the bouncy castle.
Smack my bitch up.
We'll take care of all your party games.
Keep passing it.
We'll even supply a photographer to capture all your special moments from the day.
Say Spliffy deals.
Spliffy deals.
Louder.
Spliffy deals.
That's a good one.
And security to make sure everything goes to plan. You got your invitation?
No.
Then f*** off. And don't forget, log on to spliffydeals.com. And by Spliffy, of course, I mean me dog, Spliffy. Sure